Hello guys, welcome back to Country Legends. Today we're back with another
Home
brand
point
new drone
updated.
video. And yeah, we're in this nice area. We're gonna take off our drone, we're gonna hand launch it.
Take off.
Alright,
Home
so the
point
drone's up in
updated.
here. Let's go far this way. So, it's a really nice day here. Found this open field. We're gonna fly over here. Look at that view, it's so nice. So we're just gonna go a little bit. We're just gonna go over here. We're gonna stop. Now we're gonna come back, and afterwards we're gonna take a 360 photo. Look at this place, it's really open. So we're gonna come up. We're gonna go up to max height 400 feet. I'm gonna take a 360 photo like we usually do. So, I'm just gonna explore this area. Gonna get top down view. Ain't much to see down here. Alright, stop recording. Panorama mode, and we're gonna do a 360 sphere photo. Alright, so the 360 photo is complete. We're now just gonna record a video. So we're gonna go down here. The sun's gone now. That's why I wanted to go earlier. Let's explore this area down here. There's this place where I wanted to go, which is like over here. I tried to go there today, but it was quite hard to get to, so I just came here instead. Like, I couldn't find any path that's going down here, so maybe I can look for a path. So over here, we're gonna spot what that place is. We're gonna see how we can even get there.
Max altitude reached.
So maybe next time I go there. So yeah, we are officially there. Look, we can see this place is really nice. I wanted to get low down shots of it, that's why I wanted to go close to it. But let's see how you can explore this area. It's like an abandoned place. We're gonna do an orbit shot of this. I want to go low down, but obviously I would go below the tree and I'll lose signal. But look at it, it's a really nice place. Let's see how we can get there, yeah? So, I'm over here, and as you can see, this the way to get there. Let's see how we can get there. So, there's paths around here, and maybe I can go down on this path. But of course, there was trees around. I couldn't see how to go there. So as you can see, it's really nice. It's like really nice autumn colors of these trees. Looks insane, actually. Yeah, I really like it. Let's go slow. Get this shot. And there's a pond down here as well.
Max altitude reached.
So yeah, that's another way to go there. What we could do, so as you can see, I'm right over here. Yeah, is it possible if we can go down here and maybe use a little bit of that battery left to just go to that area? So as you can see, there's a path that goes straight down here, and then it goes straight here, but it's gonna be long and it's sunset already, so I think I'm gonna do it a different day. And I can just go through here. Alright, so I've been there before. Let's go to a different area. Let's just go down here. Look at that shot. I'm gonna get an orbit shot of this, so I'm gonna keep it in the middle. I'm gonna get a nice reveal shot like this. See, I'm getting better with my drone cinematics. It's kind of a bit looks like a little bit foggy. Where else should we go? Should we get more low down shots? Let's take a photo. This looks insane. Oops. 40 megapixels. I'm gonna go in J rule. Take a photo. We're gonna do a landscape. Portrait. Landscape. Alright. Let's take a nice photo. Let's take a nice short video like this. Portrait video. Looks really professional, isn't it? Alright, stop recording. Let's go to landscape mode. Let's come back to where I am. And what we're gonna go the other way. We're gonna see what's down here. Let's go a little bit lower down so you can see it. I want to see what that little thing is down here. What is that? I don't know what that is, but I might lose signal, so I'm not gonna go far down. So the sun is popping again. Look at that. Look at those autumn colours. Really nice. Alright, let's go back to this area. Let's go low above those trees, just above it, and get a nice cinematic shot. Right, that's an amazing cinematic idea. Right, so we're gonna come back here. Right, we're gonna get a nice shot like this. So look, let's get this shot, yeah? This is gonna be insane. Whoa, this is insane. Look at that. Right. Lots of birds as well. Look at this shot. This looks insane, isn't it? I don't want to take my drone. Let's just go a little bit higher. Oh, this is a really nice shot that I've got. Alright. Let's just stay around there. Let's just get a shot of the birds. Alright. Oh my god, the sunset looks so much better now. We're in low battery now. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to go in sports mode. Flip, I'm going too fast. I'm trying to steer, but it's just I made it to fast and sports mode in case I want to quickly turn around. Just look at that shot. So we're going to stay a little bit local now. We're at 29%. So I'm right over here. Right, let's slow down a little bit. We'll put in normal mode. What else can we do? Let's just go this way and see what's down here. Yeah, there's nothing special down here. Just want to explore. Wow, looks really nice. Look at the cars and see. All right, let's go. Let's turn back now. 24%. All right, so we're just gonna land it now. I'm gonna come back here. All right, let's land. Wait. That was really sick. Just look at that shot. Look at the clouds around us. I want to take another 360 photo, but I already took one. Let's take one down here. You know what? Let's take a wide-angle photo. Stop right now. I haven't tried master shots. I never tried it since I got the drone. I should have tried it now actually, but it's too late. Got low battery. Try it on my next flight. All right, we're gonna land. I'm just gonna hand grab it. All right, so that was my flight. I'll grab it. All right, so that was my autumn drone flight. Hope you enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more videos, and I'll speak to you soon.